Hey there, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel for your daily dose of BTC updates. I'm Trader AAG, and today, we're diving into the latest developments in the world of Bitcoin. Let's start by taking a look at the numbers. As of now, Bitcoin is trading around the $26,000 mark. The market has been quite dynamic lately, and this price point has certainly grabbed everyone's attention. It's fascinating to see how Bitcoin has been performing lately. We've seen some interesting fluctuations, and it's currently holding steady around $26,000. Now, let's analyze the charts to gain a better understanding of the trend. Over the past few days, Bitcoin has shown resilience in maintaining its position in this range. For those who missed out on the previous updates, there's still opportunity knocking. The support zone remains consistent, providing a potential entry point for those looking to get in. Looking ahead, it's important to be prepared for different scenarios. While Bitcoin seems to be consolidating for now, we could witness some sideways movement in the coming days. Remember, the crypto market is known for its unpredictability. It's crucial to keep a close watch on market signals and trends to make informed decisions. That's a wrap for today's BTC update. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more daily crypto updates. Also, let us know in the comments your thoughts on Bitcoin's recent performance. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, stay curious and stay informed. Until next time, happy trading!